NBEV stock, Newage Inc, currently trading at $1.715, a gain of 45.34% in this session of the 22nd of November 2021. The stock extended once the market opened, and about a few minutes into the session, it began to move sideways, and that is what we have. And suddenly, it now added some more. It got some more momentum and has begun to extend. And just a few seconds ago, it just pivoted from its 220-day moving average and has continued to extend further. The gain is now for 6.16%. Momentum is very strong right now, indicating the stock is overbought. The fast line of this 14-period stochastic oscillator is ahead of the slow line, which is obviously validating the bullish signal we are looking at right now. The RSI is just weakening as well, just as the momentum is also doing so. The stock is also flickering, just cooling off slightly, just flickering off from that top to somewhere around where 1.70, just flickering back and forth there. So let's quickly have a look at what the volume for this session is so far. I think before we got online now, we saw a volume of about 18 million or thereabouts. Let's see what it is. 15 million or thereabout. Let's see what is certain is that it is above average. The average volume for the last 10 trading sessions is about 1.7 million. So let's see what this volume is for this session. It's 16. Yes, we got it at 16.523 million. This is what's going on now. The underlying trend, as you can see, is a bearish one. It's a bearish one for the stock, but things are looking up a bit. The stock at some point deviated. It was just to some extent validated that the downward trend may still be on the cards. You can see that after spiking, after moving up and breaking through its 50-day moving average sometime this month. A few days ago, it got some resistance there. I think after the earnings came out and began to retrace. This may be construed that maybe the bearish tendency that has underlined the stock for some time now isn't yet over, but today we're seeing something totally different. It has broken through all of those moving averages on this daily chart, including the volume with average price, but still trading at a discount to its 200-day moving average. Just a reminder that caution is still warranted if you are getting involved with NBEV stock. The stock is also optionable, so we're going to go ahead and look at it on the static page here. On the static page, NBEV. Let's quickly find out what is going on with the options. While we're waiting for that, let's just remain here and see what's going on. Okay, still cooling off, but not falling, not really getting support from any of those. Just getting support above the 10-day moving average. That's if it continues to extend from there, that can be construed as a bullish, yet a bullish signal. If that the signals are the strength is still there, the momentum is still there. If it doesn't, if it pivots from there and maybe seeks to extend further, but right now it's tending to get back to that 10-day moving average. Momentum has weakened, has weakened right now. RSI is also doing the same. So what we're looking at right now is just some trend maintenance. It could also lead to even further declines. It could also lead to that. Okay, we're not getting anything from here. Let's see. Yes, it's getting support from that 10-day moving average. Let's see what's going on here. let's see what we can get from here. We have a timed out screen here. Just bear with us, bear with me, bear with us. Let's see what's going on here. We have a gain of 42.8%. Okay, it has lost some of the gains we saw earlier on. We saw it trade at $1.7. Let's see whether we can get back online and see what's going on. Yes, the gain is now 44.92. You can see that. We're getting some live feed going on right there. Let's refresh this and see whether we can get the options. 45.61%. Stock is extending bullishly. You know, getting support from 8, 10 and 20-day moving averages, nicely extending. Never really fallen below those moving averages. It hasn't fallen, especially the 50-day moving average. The last time it fell below that moving average was sometime in this session, but it's been some time. It's been some while since that happened. $42.43, it's now losing some, but also still getting support from the 20-day moving average. Extending bullishly, getting support, still resting on that 20-day moving average. Gain is now 44.07%. Okay, let's quickly try the options from here. You can see what's going on here. Yeah, the options, it's a penny stock optionable, so the penny stock, the options are cheap, but at the same time highly risky. They'll be highly volatile as well. Cheap, but it comes at a price. So we're looking at the 17th of December to a $2 strike. Let's see the sort of yes, $2 strike. So obviously market participants are expecting the stock to reach $2. Volume, okay, volume for that particular one is 463, not a lot. So let's see the 1.50. Okay, 1.50. Okay, it's equally strongly bullish as well. Okay, let's get the options. We'll see it clearly here. Let's return to the 1 minute model here. Let's see the full chain. Okay, that's all. So yes, that $1.50 has the biggest volume so far. 6,000 is the most popular at the moment. Open interest 140, volume is 6,293. Yes, on the December 3rd is also, it's also the 150 is 1.50 also the most popular. Yeah, that's what's going on with NBEV stock, Newage Inc, currently trading at $1.688. So is it possible to find a price target for this stock? Let's see. We have 1.67, let's see, 6742, and 6326. Okay, we have a target of 1.77. We have already seen 1.7. Okay, so it's possible it can easily get to 1.77, or roughly approximately $1.8. It's possible to get there before the session closes, but right now we have seen for the first time that the stock has fallen below its 50-day moving average, the first time in a long time in this session. So just see what you make of NBEV stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.